I've been in bed the last 2 days. Doctor's orders after getting yelled. Tick, tick. It's 5:21 p.m. and I've only had 2 cups of coffee and a cocktail. And this. Two days being in your bed straight feels like an entire week. It feels like feels like 3 months. So we're getting back to business. So not a great example for what I eat in a week, but you know, sometimes realistic because that happens. So let's get back on track. Let's put some good things into our body. Let's be human, get back into the world. Let's go see things, speak to people, eat good things, and take our vitamins. Today's video is sponsored by Ritual. I personally have difficulty getting the essential nutrients that you need on a daily basis into your corporeal form. Today is no exception. But Ritual is a multivitamin that's delivered to your door every month. There is no freaky additives, no colorants, no fillers. It's plant-based, sugar-free, non-GMO, gluten-free, allergen-free, and I'm a big fan of this brand. I've already taken my vitamins today because I'm a good little boy, but I'm sure I'll try and get some B-roll throughout the week of me doing my little ritual. There's something sacred about having your little moments to take your vitamins in the morning. One of my favorite things about this brand, other than their dedication to being as sustainable as possible, every bottle is made with 100% recycled materials. I think they use like plant-based ink. But my favorite thing is that there's like a little mint tab in every bottle, so these are quite delightful going down. And if you're trashy like me and you down your vitamins with your morning cup of coffee, it tastes like a kind of little bit of a mint mocha vibe. Definitely recommend. But Ritual is offering 10% off your first 3 months with my code BLAY. So go to ritual.com/BLAY and you're set for 3 months with a little 10% discount. I'm stoked about this, you guys. This is their essentials for women, but they also have men's multivitamin. There's a lot going on there, and they just released like a protein powder. They're a cool brand, and I'm stoked to be partnering with them for today's video. So this is definitely a new integral part of my what I eat in a day routine. So check out Ritual. And thanks for sponsoring. Do I have almond in my teeth? Oh my god. This has been a bit of an off day in terms of like feeding myself, but whatever. My diet isn't perfect. I'm plant-based, but I'm not an amazing dancer. And I'm also not amazing at scheduling my meals. A lot of it is like intuitive eating for me. You know, if I'm not hungry, I won't eat. What you're seeing here is kind of rare. I'm not a big salad person, and if I do, I probably order one in. I've just been lazy lately. But the one thing I do like about making these videos is it forces me to like use the food in my house. This celery would be rotted, absolutely rotted. Little olive moment. Who wants to place bets that this dressing has expired? Oh, okay, there's a hole. Oh, you know what? I think I have some croutons. Oh, Jesus. Oh! Save that one for later, I guess. Okay, we're gonna do a kitchen cupboard dinner tonight. I have to use up some of this asparagus, and I'll make some sort of pasta. How many? That ought to do it. I think 70% of my meals are like, we need to go grocery shopping, so I guess I'll make whatever's not rotting in the fridge. But it'll be a bag of bones. afraid. I can't remember the last time I washed either of these pots. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Smallest pot ever for pasta. Ever. Okay. Ladies, ladies. There's enough room for all of you. Oopsie. I somehow burned my fettuccine noodles. They're literally in water. And have been for 25 seconds, and they're burned. Very cool, very awesome. I don't feel like chopping any garlic tonight. Don't feel like chopping any garlic. Don't feel like chopping any garlic tonight. Ooh. Don't feel like chopping any garlic. Don't feel like chopping any garlic tonight. Oops. Told you. Bon appetit. Should I put it in there? Yeah, why not? Aspergasta. Come on. Scoop like normal. That's so normal. You pick up pasta with a spatula. It's just normal. The piece of resistance. Voila. Voila. Sorry if this is fucked up of me to say, but the texture of asparagus tastes like I'm eating muscle, human muscle or tendons. Bon appetit. Yeah! I'm gonna take a risk. Ah! No!
You might go back to the start.
Yeah, I think I do. Holy fuck.
Wow.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh, he's such an asshole. With his high knees.
Big lug, big lug, big lug.
They put mayo on this. I'll just scrape it off. I'm literally wiping my mayo off of my pickles. Send them a
Buy
video.
a nickel. Someone to win.